Top shortcut number 3, the duplicate shortcut, which is a hidden shortcut within a shortcut. Right off the bat, the Control-D to duplicate shortcut is twice as fast as your normal Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste. Instead, simply hit Control-D to create the duplicate copies of your objects, but the shortcut within a shortcut here and why this saves you so much time is, if you select an object, Control-D to duplicate it, if you then move that object somewhere on your slide, every time you Control-D to duplicate again, PowerPoint will move the new object the same distance in the same direction as your last manual movement. You can even go diagonals down your slide like that. So this saves you a ton of time as you start to knock out your layouts, Control-D to duplicate, and you start to fill in your slide layouts that you then can fill in your text. And a great example of that is, here on slide number 2, I have a layout of some people, their companies, and a company description. Instead of trying to insert a bunch of text boxes and do this myself, I can Control-D to duplicate. I will move the new duplicate copy down, use my smart guides, Control-D, D, D. All right, that saves me from having to build each one of these manually. I'll do it again, Control-D to duplicate, use my smart guides right about there. And you can see just how much time this Control Duplicate shortcut will save you.